Class agenda? In the class agenda? Hello, good morning. Amin, hope you're ready. Arlim, are you here?
We can start, right? Alim here. Alim.
Here.
All right.
We
Request
can start,
everyone
Alim.
to turn on your cameras. Arlim, you can call the student's name in the order.
Okay.
Also, Alim, you just in between you have to inform the next five students to be get ready, okay? From the list. So everyone, please be attentive and be ready with your words. We'll start now.
All right. Request everyone to turn on your cameras.
Ma'am, should I start?
Yes, Arlim, you can start.
Hello everyone, welcome to our exciting YouTube live program exploring study mode in GPT and notebook LLM possibilities. I am your host Mohammed Alim and today we are going to be seeing some amazing work from our brilliant Hash Future School students. We'll go We'll be going one by one. Each student will share their project idea or experiment with Chat GPT and Notebook LL. Yeah. So first up from Discovery Higher Grade, we have Fahim Yunus. Ma'am,
Okay.
Yes.
Fahim.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, can you give him the presenter option?
Sure. Please raise your hand. Everyone, please turn on your camera.
Hi, my name is Fahim. Today I'm showing a tool in ChatGPT called Study Mode. It helps to get clear answers and understand things easily. The topic I choose, why stars twinkle. Yeah, we can here see plus icon to study and learn. Typing here. I type here explain why stars twinkle. Yeah, it says stars twinkle because their light passes through the air in the sky. The air keeps moving and has hot and cold layers. This bends the air light and makes the stars look like they are blinking. Now I will ask the same thing but in different way. Now I give can I explain it in detail step by step. Now it's give a longer answer with step by step. This is how study mode works. You can type your question and it will explain clearly. If you want more detail, you can just ask again in another way. It is very helpful for studying any topic.
Is that over for him?
Yes.
Okay, Alim, you can go next.
Next, we have Fatima Zohel. Fatima Zohel. Fatima Zohel. Is Zohel here?
Go the next.
Okay, ma'am. So next, I would like to invite Fizan Mohammed to share his work.
Yeah, first note, yeah.
Ma'am, can I give him the presenter option?
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'll be talking about how we can use study and learn mode and how it's really helpful for you in your daily life. So, I'll be explaining both an example and the topic. So, first up, we need to open Chat GPT, and then next, click on New Chat. After doing that, you can click here on the option called Add File and here Add File and More. Click it and you will see a drop down. When you look over here, if you go down a bit, the second one, which is called Study and Learn. So Study and Learn mode. So here it will be like fully focused on only study. And if you try to ask them something about some game or something about real world issues, they will try to divert the topic back to the study and learning. That's why the study and learn mode is there, so you can like really focus well and just do not get diverted from the topic. So let's try a topic. Let's try photosynthesis. So as it has said, it has said, all right, let's walk through photosynthesis step by step, like we're piecing through a puzzle. Before even actually you start learning, they'll ask you few examples. I mean, few things on asking like if you know what photosynthesis is, or like is if you know like what it does, like in detail. They'll ask you what you all know about it.
said, perfect, you got it. And let's build it step by step. And then I asked, like, it asked, do you have an, like, do you know why what all it's a rebirth for? Is it for science, cultural, religion, something, and everything? Like, and I said it was rebirth for everything. And it said, it's pretty coarse, but no. So it explained me in a very good manner. And it asked me, like, to say a person who's like famous for art and everything. So I told Leonardo da Vinci, and it said, yes, Leonardo da Vinci is a good, perfect example. And it asked, oh, do you need to learn about the art or anything? So I told anything, and it said, all right, let's start with art. And it said, is medieval 3D art medieval or Renaissance style art? And I told it's a Renaissance art. So I said it's correct, and it gave like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael. These are the good people, like people who draw art and all. And it gave a short form about to remember it, LMR, Leonardo, Michelangelo, and Raphael. And it asked us, do you need to learn about science and or everything or exploration? And I told exploration. And here we are exploring the Chat GPT thing. So
Thank you, Ponchika. Now it's time for Aisha Nauran to show her work. Aisha Nauran.
Yes, I'm here. I'm not able to like send the voice, like share any of my screen's voice.
Alim,
Is Aisha
Ma'am,
Nauran.
yeah, it's actually my turn, but I'm not able to share my screen voice sound. I'm not able to share my sound.
okay. Shall we go with the next student then and call Aisha Noreen after a few minutes? Is it okay, Aisha?
Ma'am, I still won't be able to share my screen's voice, ma'am. Someone might have to share it for me.
All right, we'll arrange it. So, Alim, you could call the next student then.
Okay.
Yeah.
So next, I would like to call Wazim. Is Wazim here? Wazim?
Alim, okay,
Is
everyone,
Wazim
can
here?
you please on your camera? Panchika,
Shreya, can you please on your camera? Akash, Iham, please
Yes,
on your
ma'am.
camera. Everyone to open your camera. Dia, Mariam, Enosh, Ethan. Okay, sorry. Okay. Fizan, is your camera on? Fizan.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be yes to all of the next person. Okay, so next I would like to invite Zian.
Present option, please.
Zian, you have the present option.
So we're gonna try out this new mode called Study and Learn ChatGPT. So here, if you wanna click on it or if you wanna find it out, just click on this and you'll find a lot of series, lot of options from ChatGPT. And since we're curious about Study and Learn, we'll be clicking on that, and we will be typing about Galaxy, because not much of us knows about Galaxy other than the fonts and all. So we're gonna search about Galaxy. So I was asking Galaxy and I searched it up in the Study and Learn mode. So first thing in Study and Learn mode, when you notice is that ChatGPT answers the question by step, because it's Study and Learn. You have to learn at the same time you have to study. So he wants us to make it simpler for us. So first thing you notice in this mode is that it will break down the steps, each steps having a very meaningful words, and it will be making more simpler and simpler. He will be also asking if you want to know more about that or this. So let's ask about what all things are there in galaxy, and is it important to know about these, has a ninth grader, for example. So in here, study and learn mode in ChatGPT, it will help you understand everything in a simpler way. And plus, you can modify it with your prompt by asking make it simpler, break it down, or make it meaningful for a eighth grader or fifth grader. So in this way, you will be able to learn more easily, effectively in the study and learn mode in ChatGPT. And that's all I have to share.
Zian, over it.
Yeah,
So
I'm on.
next I would like to invite Zohel. Zohel, ma'am, can I give Zohel the present option?
Yeah, sure. Before that, can you all please switch on the cameras, please?
Okay.
No, I think it's reversing.
Yes, Zohel, now you are a presenter. You can present. Excuse me, everyone. Please switch on the camera. All the cameras are turned off. Please make it sure that all the cameras are turned on. Please.
Everyone, please make sure your cameras are turned on.
So Zohar is facing some technical issues. I'll be sharing her presentation with the facilitators. Anybody please present her work, okay? You can call the next one, Arlene.
Okay, ma'am. So next, I would like to invite Ilan.
Yeah, please give me the present option. Yeah, I got it. Wait. Telling you the hello everyone. So today I will be telling you the features about ChatGPT study mode. So first we can get ChatGPT. Okay. So first you should log in first and you'll get the new thing of this ChatGPT. And then you can click this plus button. And then here we have like study and learn option. So click that. Okay. So you got like this thing. So at first, like it seems like ChatGPT already covers everything like study mode does. But there is difference. Like ChatGPT is like a library, while study mode is like having a tutor in that library, like guiding you step by step, checking your like our understandings and adjust our level. So this shifts like turn passive, answers into active learning. So we have study mode and okay. So like this study mode is like available to ChatGPT users like in free and like there's like Press Plus Pro and Team Plan and it works both on the web and on mobile apps. Okay, so we can like first ask like okay, okay. You can tell explain volcanoes step by step. Okay, so first they will ask our like which grade was studying and all. Like if you are like middle grade, yeah, they're asking for the middle grade score. Okay, okay. So we can give it like we are learning in 10th grade. Okay. If we gave the 10th grade, now they'll give like suitable answer for like 10th grade. Okay, so the step one is what a volcano is. So most of people know like what is volcano. Like it's a opening, in the Earth's crust where magma or like molten rock, gases and ash can escape to the surface. Okay, so like they know like well, okay, now we can ask them the step two. Okay, this is step two. Okay, I think they like no like now we can ask these questions. Yeah, okay. So they are done with it. Like there's like so many steps. Now we can ask something related to maths. Okay, can you help me solve this question? So the question is like wait, mm, plus 5 equal to what? Yeah, yeah. So this is the answer. Like wait, I forgot to add 15. So like study mode, like there's first like say like sure like first like we can what's the first step to isolate x. So like the subtract 5 from the both sides, and then study mode says like right, that gives us 2x or 2 into equal to 10. So now we can ask what's next. Yeah, okay. So these are the features and all. Okay, if you want to go with new like normal ChatGPT, we can like click this cancel button. Now we are done with the study mode thing. Yeah, thank you.
Alim, you can call Zohal next, okay? Alim?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
and Alim, can you call out the next five students so that they can be ready
Okay.
after Zohal?
So so the next five students' names are Devashish, Rizwa, Aisha, Isa, Shreya, Suraj, and Razan.
Devashish, Aisha, Aiza, Shreya, and Razal, right? Be ready,
Yeah.
okay? I'll be giving you the presenter option. You have to be ready. Yes, you can call Zohal now.
Yeah. Zohar.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Um, can I present now?
Yeah, you can.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
Today, we're going to explore one of ChatGPT's most powerful features, Study and Learn. This tool can turn any topic into a personalized learning experience, making your study sessions smarter and more engaging. Here how it works. Uh, when you open ChatGPT, look at the bottom or middle of your screen and the message box, you'll notice a small plus sign. Click it, and a menu will appear with several options, including add photos and files, study and learn, create image, think longer, and more. Select study and learn. Once it's active, you can type any topic or questions you want to study. The more specific you are, the better the results. For example, you might type explain Newton's laws of motion for a ninth grade student um, with everyday examples. Alright, good. Now I'm gonna click enter. Okay, it's giving us the three Newton laws. If the explanation feels too advanced, you can adjust by saying make it simpler as if I am in grade 5, or request visuals by saying show me a labeled diagram of this concept. So I'm gonna type make it simpler um, as if I am in grade 5, and it's gonna make it more simpler, more understandable. You can also upload notes or documents and ask summarize my uploaded notes in 10 key points and create shortcuts. For example, you can here how we do it. There's a plus sign. You can add photos and files like maybe your textbook PDF and ask it to, you know, explain that like or teach me the things in the textbook. You can do that. So whether it's preparing for exams, breaking down complex topic, or practicing through quizzes, Study and Learn adapts to your style and pace. So next time you open ChatGPT, activate Study and Learn, set your topic, and let it guide you step by step. It's like having a patient, knowledgeable tutor available anytime you need it. Thank you.
Thank you, Zohal. Next, I would like to invite Fela.
Yeah, could you please give me the present option? Can I get the present option?
Bella, you have the presenter option.
Alim, I'm
And
sorry,
I
I
have
missed in between. Who wants the presenter option?
Fella.
Fella.
Okay. Yes, fella, you have the presenter option. Bella, we are not able to hear you. Bella?
It's not audible.
No.
Why don't you tell you then?
I thought it was my problem.
Could you call the next one because I can't share my screen with audio since I'm using an app, so I will just connect it to web. So you can call the next one. I'll present it next.
Okay. So next I would like to invite Inush. Inush, are you here?
Inosh is not there in the meet.
Okay. So should I call the next person?
Yeah, you can call. Just note his name, okay?
Yeah. So next I would like to call Devashish.
Devashish is also not here.
So then next I would like to invite Rizwa.
Rizwa? Rizwa, you have the presenter option. Are you there? Rizwa.
Can I go if she's not here?
Okay, then you can do fellow.
I'm Phila Mehak from Discovery Hire. So today I'm gonna show a tool from ChatGPT, which has been recently added to ChatGPT. So it is called Study and Learn tool. So I'm gonna tell like basically how this works. So normally when you're using ChatGPT, they're gonna ask your questions and left you with nothing to learn. So the study tool helps you to learn best answers. They're gonna make sure you learn it. Like, let's see examples. First, I'm gonna show
I'm
you.
here.
So less icon near to ask anything. So you can click on here and there is add photos was a file and study and learn, creating making longer, deep research and more. So I'm gonna just choose study and the learn option. So click it and ta-da, you are using the study and learn tool. So let me show you how it works. I'm gonna say ChatGPT. Um, I need help with my work. What is when I give like example, so it's like it's example, so you can see. Yeah, they're gonna explain instead of giving answers. Look how they explains. Normally, ChatGPT just say that the answer is 16. But now let's see here. If you have two groups of eight apples, how many apples would that be in total? Are they giving answer? No. So I'm gonna give 16 since two groups of 8 apples is 16. So exactly. Now you can see what's the difference between a normal ChatGPT AI and a tool. Study and learn tool difference. So now we learn about that. Let's go deeper. So I want to ask something actually. As a ninth grade student, I don't know nothing about what real life school teaches in ninth grade. So I'm gonna ask help with ChatGPT about that. I'm gonna simply type as a ninth grade student, I don't know nothing about math in ninth grade. So can you help me with that? So let's say ChatGPT is explaining me what we have in ninth grades. I think let's start from jump up straight into ninth grade. I'm gonna actually speed up this since it's a bit long. Like it takes me 60 minutes to learn new things. I actually learned 2 new things. I solved my own equations. Like ChatGPT give me equation and I'm pretty like impressed by on myself because I doesn't know these things and I just learned this 2 things, linear and also um geometric by like 16 minutes. That was a lot, but yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
So next, I would like to call Rizwa.
Okay, before Rizba, we can present Aisha Naurins. Okay, Aisha?
Oh, okay.
I
So
okay, I can present Aisha Naurins. Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Hello. So today we are talking about this new feature called Study and Learn in ChatGPT. So I tried using ChatGPT.
Was it echoing for y'all?
It was.
Yes. Mm. A feature called Study and Learn in ChatGPT. Hello! So today we are talking about this new feature called Study and Learn in ChatGPT. You can easily find the Study and Learn ChatGPT feature by clicking the plus icon near the chat box. So, I tried using ChatGPT's new feature by telling this prompt. Tell me about sun corners in a simple way. First, I typed my prompt into ChatGPT in study mode. The answer I got was sun corners are brightly colored parrots with red, orange, yellow, green, and blue feathers. They are medium sized birds from South American and especially Brazil. I don't know the other two, like Guyana and Venezuela. I don't know if I spelled it right or not.
What's ATI?
And and then I asked it another question. Are sun corners endangered? A nice question, right? ChatGPT gave a response like, they are considered endangered because their habitats are being destroyed and they're often caught for the pet trade. And then I asked another question. What kind of personality they have? ChatGPT answered it with, they are very social, noisy and playful and they need a lot of interactions. Well, that made sense to me because my own sun corner acts exactly like that. This helped me understand sun corners better because I already knew their colors, but now I know about their home, why they are endangered, and their personality. I would use this again when I study animals or prepare for exams. One tip for my friends is to use follow-up questions about behavior and habitat. It makes the topic way more interesting. And ChatGPT will might give you questions or quizzes along the way. Thank you. Yeah, I rock and roll, guys.
Okay, Alim, you can call up next person, okay?
So next, I would like to invite Rizwa. Rizwa, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
At present, okay.
Rizwa, what happened? Rizwa. Okay, Alim, you can call out the next person then.
Okay, ma'am. So next I would like to call Shreya Suraj to showcase her work.
Yeah. Can you give me presenter option?
Shreya, you have the
You already have the presenter option.
Yeah, presenting. 1 second. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. This is a new version of Chat GPT. So, if you go to tools, can you hear?
Yeah, we can hear it.
And click on study and learn. This will make the answers more efficient.
presenting.
So,
Shreya,
if we go and click what?
I'm not able to see your screen. Does anyone else can see?
No, ma'am, we can't see.
Okay.
No, ma'am,
No,
we
ma'am,
can't
we
see.
can't see.
Shreya, can you share once
We
more?
can't see the screen.
Okay. Shreya, please share it once more,
Oh,
okay?
now
Yeah, now it's fine.
can you see? So if we ask a question, hello everybody, this is a new
we can see.
version of ChatGPT. So if you go to tools and click on study and learn, this will make the answers more efficient. So if we go and click on, so if we ask a question, for example, what is water made of? And I click on enter. It will say this. This is much more like efficient and better and like, yeah, more better than normal. It's more simpler and it'll get better. It's better. And without study mode, I'll type and get back. Now I'm going to do without study. Oh, now I'm going to do without study mode. So, yeah, let's ask the same question. I'll come back after I finish that. Yeah. So let's say, what is water made of? With study mode, let's write. Or this. And then I click on enter with study mode and it's much better. So they tell hints, question, practice, and like that. So yeah, sorry, I made a mistake. We're going to do how is what is like water made of. Let's do it again, and we'll click on that. It's shorter, more simple, and much better. Water is made of molecules called H2O, which means each molecule has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom bounded together. But if I don't understand what is a molecule, let's search up that too. What is a molecule? Enter. So it says shorter and easier. One more time. And I'll also say an example and a small visual example. So a molecule is a tiny particle when two or more atoms join together. Example, in water, two hydrogen atoms plus one oxygen atom equals one water molecule. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Yeah.
Okay, so next I would like to call Aisha Aiza.
Yeah.
See my screen? Hello, today I'll be helping you to Hello, today I'll be helping you to access this study and learn option. So this is the home page of ChatGPT, and when you click on the plus option, you can get study and learn mode. So you can click on that to get the study and learn mode option. So for example, I'm going to ask it, tell me more about plants. Plants. So it will ask you a question first of all. Are you kind of interested in plants? Yes. Okay. So it will tell us with a normal beginner one. So if you want, you can tell that I am I am in 7th grade. 7th, or like you can say I'm in 8th. Yeah. Since you're in 8th grade, it will give you something that will be a little bit more difficult. Yeah, which is in this one, because I didn't told anything about my grade and stuff. It just gave the simple first part of it about the roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. And when I told that I'm in 8th grade, it gave me something which 8th grade students will be learning. So yeah, and you will get a lots of this. And if you want a quiz, you can ask it like quiz, or like if you want like help me write my home homework. Again, then it will ask you exactly what's the question and the topic. You can give what all topic it is. Maybe it is something about planned repetition or something. You can just give the topic which you are want to like write your homework with. So it will not give you the exact answer. If you ask for the exact answer, it will give you first, it will tell you what it is and how it's made. I mean, how it's processed and what it is called and stuff. And then only they will tell the answer. You can ask, can you tell the exact answer? Tell the exact answer. I won't give you the exact answer. So it won't give you the exact answer because they want you to learn, because it's in the study mode. If you are not trying on study mode, you might get it. But if you're trying in study mode, you won't get it because they want that to be done. Because if they give the exact answer, we're going to just copyright it, right? So they won't give the exact answer. So yeah, if you like study mode, thank you. Alim.
Yeah. Next, I
Yes.
would like to
So
call Razal.
you can call Inosh.
Okay, Inush.
Yeah, okay. I'll just present right now.
Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible for everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi everybody, my name is Anosh and I'm going to show you how to use the study and learn mode in Chat GPT. So let's get started. So first, you should open Chat GPT. I'm using Chat GPT 5, so you can open Chat GPT 5, and to the left you'll find this plus icon, which is Add Files and More. So you can click on that. Once you click on that, if you go down, you'll find Study and Learn. So it should highlight and it should show study for you here. If it shows like this for you here, it means study and learn mode is enabled. So why to use study and learn mode? Why are we using that? It's because ChatGPT will explain in such a way. It'll be really easy for you to understand. It'll explain like step by step. So I'll show you how it works. Okay. So we're going to be researching, learning about technology in the healthcare field. Yeah. Yeah, I've just put this prompt. What are some of the biggest ways technology is solving real world problems today? And the minute I put this prompt, it's already given the answer. Like the response will be more quicker in study and learn mode, and the response also won't be it won't be a very long response. It'll be a quite short one, and it'll give the key points. That's the main thing about study and learn mode. It gives us the key points. So I'm gonna be choosing healthcare and medicine. So let's ask it some questions. Okay. So I'm going to ask it, how is AI used in medicine to detect diseases? So I'll show you the response which it gives. So as you can see here, when I put the prompt, like the question, when I asked the question, ChatGPT did not directly give me the answer. First, ChatGPT asked me a question, right? So let's look at the question. When doctors check if someone has a disease, what kinds of information do they usually look at? So as you can see, ChatGPT asked us the question so that to test our knowledge also. So this way we also can learn, and even if our answer is wrong, it's totally fine because ChatGPT will help us with it. So I'm gonna put here as blood tests, right? Okay, so after I put blood tests, it's given us the answer in like 2 3 seconds. So you can look at the way how it's explaining us. It's like how it's showing how the information is here. So yeah, so just by a couple of few prompts, I understood how AI can detect diseases through blood flow. It just take 1 minute, a few minutes, and you just type what topic you want to learn, and then you study and learn more.
Study AI. Oh no, what happened to my study AI board? I don't know what happened to my study AI board. I kind of like reloaded and yeah. But this is a study AI board on ChatGPT right there, study mode. So yeah, I asked ChatGPT how birds fly, and normal ChatGPT would give a very big explanation, and then it would not be just like no hints, no nothing, just a very long, ununderstandable, complicated explanation. But with study mode, it will give you options like wings. Yeah, I'm just saying, like this is just my topic, alright? Like I put wing shape. Like I asked how birds fly, so it gave me a bunch of stuff. Wing shape and lift and flapping and
Please
all.
listen. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think there is an issue with our YouTube live. So, oh yeah, it's okay now. You can continue.
Start.
Marinji, you can continue. Sorry.
Start.
Mariam Zia, your screen is stuck. Is it stuck for everyone?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
it's
Yeah.
stuck.
Mariam Zia, are you there?
Yeah, she got disconnected. Can I present for her?
Yes. Who is speaking?
Shreya.
Yeah, sure, sure. I'll give you the presenter option.
Yeah, 1 second.
Shreya, can you enable the audio?
Here's it's enabled.
No, but then we're not able to hear you.
Yeah. Now?
Still no. Is it
No,
audible for others?
no, ma'am.
No.
It's not audible.
Oh.
You can stop sharing and reshare it once more, okay? Shreya.
Yeah. You still can't find it? You still can't hear the audio?
No.
I'm back. I disconnected because of some issue.
Okay, Mariam Zia, can you try sharing?
Yeah, I'll try sharing it again.
Okay.
I'm not sure what happened. Hold on, I have to put my audio. You guys can hear it this time. So yeah, hold on. Just a moment. Tell me if you can hear or see the screen, okay? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, just wait till this part's over.
Oh no, what happened? What I do? Okay, got it. I thought I got rid of all the stuff I got. Yeah, here. So, I wanted to test out study AI. Oh no, what happened to my study AI board? I don't know what happened to my study AI board. I kind of like reloaded and yeah. But this is a study AI board on ChatGPT right there, study mode. So yeah, I asked ChatGPT how birds fly, and normal ChatGPT would give a very big explanation, and then it would all be just like no hints, no nothing, just a very long, ununderstandable, complicated explanation. But with study mode, it'll give you options like wings. Yeah, I'm just saying like this is just my topic, all right? Like in this whole thing. I put wing shape, like I asked how birds fly, so it gave me a bunch of stuff like wing shape and lift and flapping and all, how it works. And in this study mode, it will ask you questions instead of us asking questions back. So it will tell you, like for me, it asked me, here's a question for you. Here's my question for you. Like, and don't mind my messing up speech and all. I don't know. Yeah. So just know that it gave me two options. I chose the first one, and it told me many hints and a lot of stuff like here. All right, let's zoom in on that part, and then imagine as like it gives me a bunch of scenarios and stuff like that. Here, I gave an answer, but it said not quite because I messed up the answer. I thought it was right, but no. And then here it says want me to show you a visual, like like how it works and all, yeah. And then okay, picture two friends racing marbles down tracks and all. So it asked which curve, which will, like what will happen from this effect and all. So it explained again, and then I said yeah. And then here there's more little options. I answered, will it glide? But it says close guess. It'll give you hints and it'll ask you questions. But after you understand the whole scenario, it'll give you mini quizzes like this, okay? So a bird has a nicely curved wings and is flying at a steady, moderate angle of attack. The air over the top moves much faster than under the wing. What do you predict? I said a high lift. Yeah. So I actually got this one right, I guess. Yeah. Scenario 2. This is where I actually messed up. So I gave a low lift and it actually said stall. It is pretty much the same basically. And then here like it gave me the third scenario and like more questions, basically not that many but still some. So that's all I experienced in this whole thing. This is just the end. That was all it. I'll be mentioning what I like learned. Like here it's all done. That's all it. I spent like, it's like a very better way to use ChatGPT. And this is where I messed up. I mean, you can say it gave, okay, because I don't think AI. Yeah, I messed up. Sorry. Yeah, that's all. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Hold on. Yeah, I spent over 6 hours on this. Hours on this editing and also. Here's all the things I learned. Hold on, I'll have to pause this part so I can read it. In study mode, ChatGPT will not just be giving bland answers or big complicated explanations. It will give us questions, hints, and quizzes. And if you have messed up or gave wrong answers, it will tell you if you gave it the right way or the wrong answer, like hints. And yeah, it's very interesting now. Yeah. Thank you. That's all. I hope you heard
Thank
the
you,
recording.
Marimzia. Thank you, Marimzia. Next, I would like to invite Zai Madhu.
Rizwa, are you here? Is it Rizwa? Rizwa? Okay, Shreya, you can present Rizwa's, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't present as well because I also can't do audio.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, then you can call out the next person. Alim.
Yeah. So the next person is Zain Adam.
Zain is not here.
So then finally for Brainiacs Hire, it's Dia. Dia Suraj. Is
Yeah,
Dia
just give me a
Suraj?
second, I'll share it.
Okay.
Um,
Hi everyone, my name is Dia Suraj and I'm from Brainiacs Hire. So, I asked ChatGPT study mode to give me a practice quiz on photosynthesis, and this is what it gave me.
you're genius.
It gave me a bunch of questions like what gas do plants take from the air during photosynthesis, and lots of questions. And when I got it wrong, it gently guided me back and explained it more thoroughly so I understood.
So this is basically what it helped me with, and I know it shows that I had almost every answer correct, but I edited out the answers a lot, and it really helped me, and I'm really thankful I found this. Studying became a lot easier for me.
So next I would like to invite Mohammed Ashraf from Cosmos Higher Grade. Mohammed Ashraf.
Yeah, give me a personal option.
Ma'am.
Ashraf, can you raise your hand? I can't see you. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you can present, Ashraf.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Hi everyone. Today I'm talking about ChatGPT new study mode. So you can see here plus icon. Here is the study and learn mode. So I am giving a topic. Explain tsunami. Yeah, they given some examples. First, what is a tsunami? Yeah, tsunami is a serious, huge ocean waves caused mainly by sudden movements in the earth. Yeah, they given some examples. The normal ChatGPT giving only answers, but the study AI mode giving us questions also. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Yeah, next I would like to invite Gezel. Gezel.
Gazel is not there in the meet. You can go with Zainaba. Okay.
time or a long time. And the third is retrieval. This is when you bring back to the stored information to your mind, like remembering a fact for a test or recalling a friend's name. So this helped me understand how our brain remembers things, because ChatGPT's study mode explained the three main steps: encoding, storing, and retrieving in a really simple way. And I would use this again when I study for exam, or especially to break big lessons into smaller steps. And one tip for my all friends is always ask follow up questions in study mode if something isn't clear. It will make the topic even easier to understand. And all of you, thank you for listening.
Thank you, Zainaba. Next, we have Zahra Anu. Zahra.
Can you hear me?
Zahra, is Zahra here or should I call
Okay,
the next
Alim,
person?
before Zahra, you can call Rizwa. Nazida ma'am, are you here? Nazida ma'am.
Ma'am, is the short break over?
I will ask, okay? Actually, there was a power failure. That is why we stopped. I'll just ask and I'll let you know, okay?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Meanwhile, you can go through your presentation once more. Double check that everything is in place. Okay. And make sure you're ready before the session starts. All right. Yeah, I think we're ready to go. Yes, darling. Hope everyone is here. If you're not around your device, kindly join back. Yeah, Fatima ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can resume, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, Nazida ma'am, you can present.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, make sure you have enabled the audio. Ma'am, I guess the audio is not enabled.
Oh my God. Nasida ma'am, hello.
Ma'am, should I call out the next person?
Yes, Sarli. I think that
Okay,
it
fine.
is not fully done.
Yeah, it is not complete done. I've told ma'am to. I guess she might present it once more.
Once again, all right, ma'am. Or may I reshare with audio if she is facing some tech issue?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
I'm facing a tech issue.
Ma'am, I guess we can present the Rizwas later then.
Yes, ma'am, I'm facing a small network issue. It is
Okay,
not
fine.
responding actually.
Okay.
So next I would like to invite Shazel. Shazel, are you here?
Okay, Shazil, are you there? Shazil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can present, okay?
Okay.
Alim, can you call out the next five?
Yeah. So the next five are Fatima Farhana, Ihan, Iham, and Umar Farooq, and Putran. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
One minute. Yeah, so this is the new ChatGPT study mode. So, my name is Shazal and I'm from Explorers Middle, and I chose the topic about plants. So let's see about plants. Just type in about plants. So it already said how they grow and survive. Biology side, types of plants, gardening, and agriculture side. So it gave informations, but like let's say more information. So yeah, we can already see that the study mode is way better because the normal ChatGPT doesn't give this much of things it gives, but I would say study mode is way better because how it gives explanations, informations, and everything. And yeah, what plants are living organisms that make their own food through photosynthesis using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Most have roots, stems, leaves, and often flowers or cones. How plants live. Roots absorbed water and minerals from the soil. Stems transport water, minerals, and food.
Leaves are the main site of photosynthesis. Flowers, fruits, and seeds are for reproduction. Yeah, we can already say it already gave a lot of information, and now let's ask something else. So let's ask uh, how if I plant a seed, how long will it take to grow? So it said we can already say this is way better than the normal one, and it said it depends on the type of seed and what you mean by grow. Let's think about two stages. So yeah, these are the things, and yeah, I would say if you have some doubts or if you want to study something for your homework, for your assignments, if you can please use the study mode. It's actually way easier and it gives more informations, and yes, yeah, that's it. Ma'am, I'm done.
Arlene, you can call the next student. Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. So next, I would like to invite um, Fatima Farhana.
I guess Fatima Farhan is not here.
Ma'am, Fatima told me to can you give me presenter?
Okay, Zahra, did you present yours?
I think no.
Yours and hers, okay?
Yeah. One minute. This is Fatima's. Can you hear, ma'am?
Hi everyone, my name is Fatma Farhana.
Yes,
Yeah.
we can hear.
Okay.
And I'm in grade.
One second.
Hi everyone, my name is Fatma Farhana. And I'm in grade Explorer Center. Today I tried Chat GPT study mode using this prompt, which is how to run Canva as a beginner. So let's enter it. Wait for the response. So yeah, it has given steps to go. So let's okay. So the first step is understand what Canva is. Yeah. So Canva is an online design tool where I can make posters, presentations, videos, social media posts, and more without needing to know professional design software. So now let's make my account or make an account. So let's go to Canva. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm in Canva. So as the so now we have to sign up. I already have signed up. Yeah. Now the step 3 is explore the dashboard. So when you log in, you will see search for. Yeah. Here's the search bar. This is the search bar, and your projects create a design button. So now let's start from scratch. So that's present the create
So, if you
button.
guys don't know, I was on Modern Family from the ages 4 to
So
12, I believe.
next we have to press on like start with template. Search for something like I want to make like okay maybe poster. Let's do poster. Yeah. So here we could just go on and just take the poster, present the poster. Yeah. As a red letter to ignore, and here you could see. Then you have to take a tablet you like it's already designed. You just change the words, colors, or images. Yeah, and learn basic tools like a test tool. There's a T icon on the side when you open the poster button, and style text and elements like shapes, lines, stickers, icons, and uploads. Add your own photos or videos. Like just take it and press on upload, and you could just take a picture or videos that is already in your laptop. Background, so you could change colors or patterns. Yeah, and step 6 is play around. Like you could just go try changing fonts, colors, and pictures, like move elements around, like canvas drag and drop. So for example, let's go here and play the sound, and we could actually move this and make it transparent, and we could change the position. Yeah. So for example, I want to make the sun on the front and the location one to the back. So let's press it forward. Now it's forward. So and also one example is like you could go to text, just delete open and just go to text, and you could change the text color like hi. Yeah. So now I want to change the text color. So I could change it to yellow. Yeah. Yeah, please. Just for example, let's change it to color and just go to the canvas and up here, and we could change the handwriting to. Yeah. So that's the basics of Canva. Uh, yeah. Now we could save it and share. Yeah. So we have to press on this. If you want to download it or share it to someone, you could just share it and download it. Thank you. That's the basics of Canva.
Ma'am, can you give Fella the presenter option?
Yeah, sure. But did
Ella.
Fatima present hers?
Fella's not there in the meet.
Yeah, Fatima ma'am, I think like Zahra didn't present her work.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm I'm finding the work.
We can do Fella's.
I'm checking class.
But then Fella's not there in the meet.
But she said, give me presenter option.
Fella,
But
can you raise your hand?
Ma'am?
Not here.
Yeah, I can't find her in the meeting.
Yes,
Ma'am,
I have. Yes.
ma'am, I created a Canva presentation about ChatGPT study mode.
Okay.
Ma'am, but everyone is just sharing this, like showing the ChatGPT just like that. So where you supposed to do it like that? So you don't need to create a Canva presentation. Well, Diham, you can connect with me. Yeah, you can chat with me, okay? By WhatsApp, I'll guide you through. Okay.
Zahra, you can present yours.
Yeah, I'm fine. Just give me 5 minutes.
All right, then we will move on to the next student, right? Zahra will call you like right after Fella, who is supposed to do Alim.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fella.
Alim, I remember Fella presenting her work actually.
Then why she messaged me, give me present.
All right, let's see if she's there in the meeting. Let's call her and I'll check with her personally too. All right, we'll move on to the next student. Who's the student who is supposed to present right after Fella?
After like Ihan.
Ihan?
Is
Are you
Ihan
here?
here?
Ihan is here. He's a
Okay.
presenter too.
Okay. Hi. I use the prompt explain outer space. Um, I type my prompt in study mode. I can't get study mode here because this is the this is my web prompt.
Ihan,
So
your
I
voice is very
type my
low.
prompt in study
Ihan,
mode. I
can others hear Ihan's audio?
what?
Ma'am, we
I
can
can
hear,
hear,
but his
but
voice
it's
is
low.
very low.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ihan, your voice is very
Very
low.
low, ma'am.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay. But you can hear it, right? Can't.
We can, but it's very low. We can't
Kind of.
understand. Yeah.
Okay,
Can you
I
please
press
see
it
the
after.
small volume button on the bottom of the page? Can you click that?
I will press it after one person. Uh, it's, okay, I will press it now. Hi, I use the prompt explain outer space. I typed my prompt in study mode. I can't get study mode here because this is the this is my web prompt. So I type my prompt in study mode. I it explains that space is a vacuum with planets and stars uh, and galaxies and stuff. I learned about space time, black holes, and how the universe is expanding, and I was surprised when the time slows near black holes, and because there's a lot of gravity, and when they say time is faster in places with less gravity, like in the moon, there is a difference with the well, like when Neil Armstrong and they went to the moon, they would have seen things faster. They have seen the Earth a little faster. There's not a lot of difference because, yeah, the gravity in the moon is not really that different from the Earth's gravity. So, yeah, and this helped me understand space better because it's explained hard things, kind of hard things, in a simple way. And yeah, yeah, that's the thing. You can continue.
So next I would like to call IHAM.
Amma, give me the
IHAM.
share option. The share option.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm giving. Iham. Iham, can you raise? Okay. Iham, can you raise your hand? Yeah, I raised. Okay. Now, today I'm going to talk about the ChatGPT study mode, and you need to be like signed up in ChatGPT for this. So, yeah, when you get ChatGPT, if you click this and then click study and learn, like this is different from the normal ChatGPT. It gives you more detailed information. Like I want to learn about cars. So so it doesn't give you like really long answers. Like I have like if I give which grade I want, it will like do that grade. So I want grade 6. So it does it the grade 6 friendly level, like the engine, the fuel tank or battery, the transmission, wheels, and tires, and brakes. And when I tell it to ask questions, it asks me questions for maybe I'm going to answer what is the main job of a car's engine. I don't exactly know it, So I'm going to answer what I think. So if we are wrong, it will guide us through it. So yeah, what is the first thing that the driver does to start the car? So it gives the answer for it, and it doesn't give a really long answer. It gives a short answer, and it gives like not like complicated stuff, like things you can understand. So now let's compare this with a normal ChatGPT. See, like, do you know the difference? Like, look. So when I asked cars, it only gave me like a small one in this one. But when here, it gave me like a really complicated one. So yeah, you can see the difference now, right? So that's all what I wanted to say. And I made a presentation and I haven't finished it yet though. Well, I don't know if it's necessary. You have to share this. So yeah, if the presentation's not needed, yeah, that's it. Why isn't anybody saying anything?
I don't know. What?
Say something.
Say what? I said I don't know.
I'm done.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I got it. It's a very nice presentation.
yeah, it's very nice.
It's like wonderful.
Yeah.
No,
Guys,
not about that.
guys, are you kidding me? He literally said he didn't make a presentation.
Bruh, then what you want to let us say?
Nobody here is listening.
Bruh, I guess nobody is listening. That's why they're not telling.
Oh my gosh.
Nah, why me? Why couldn't you not listen to someone else?
I listen.
I was listening.
Okay, good job, dude. You understood what study mode does. And you used it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but was the presentation needed? Nobody else made a presentation.
You just needed a video. You don't needed the presentation. You just needed a video.
Yeah, you was unique from others.
It is not necessary.
You were
Children,
unique.
please keep your microphones muted unless it's your turn to speak. Yeah. Alim? Hello? Alim, you
Yeah,
can
ma'am.
call next
Yeah.
person.
Yeah. So next I would like to invite Umar Farooq.
Umar, are you there? I've given you the presenter option. Oh, yeah, okay.
Hi, today I'm telling about ChatGPT study mode. It is my topic is how to do coding. Yeah, I will show. Yeah, the normal Chat GPT will give very big answers, and it will be hard to learn. And the study mode is very easy to learn, and it will give small answers step by step. Yeah, that's all. Thank
Next, I would like to invite Putran.
Okay, 1 second.
What
You can go
next?
next person because it will take a while to load.
Okay, Arun, you can call the next five, okay? Just tell who all are the
I
next
can.
five.
Yeah,
I
I
am.
will tell the next five
Okay, I
is
am.
Nafisa, Mehrin, Muhammad Aslam, Eid, Aidan, Riha Fatima, and Muhammad Amin. Yeah,
I think with this we are done, right?
yeah,
Oh, right. If
yes,
you
the
noted
last.
down any of the students, those who haven't presented, you can call them as well. You can check them out, like whether they are in the call and are ready to present.
Yeah, ma'am, Nafisa.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Nafisa?
Yeah, I raised my hand.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I got.
Nafisa Marziya. Hi everyone, I'm Nafisa. Hi everyone, I'm Nafisa Marziya. Today I am talking about pollination. I take ChatGPT and I type here. I want to learn about pollination. Pollination. Yeah. I click enter. Great. Before we jump in, can I ask, are you learning about pollination for school? And if so, what grade or level are you at there? That way I can explain it just right for you. Meanwhile, to start simply, do you know what a flower's main parts are, especially the parts involved in making seeds? That's good place to begin understanding pollination. I tap here. I am a beginner. Beginner. I click enter. Yeah, perfect. Let's start with the basics. Pollination is how plants make seeds so they can grow new plants. It happens when pollen, which is like tiny dust, moves from one part of a flower called the anther to another part called the stigma.
Quick question. Have you heard the words pollen, anther, or stigma before? If yes, what do you think they mean? If not, no worries, I will explain. I'm typing here note. Okay, no problem. Let's break it down. Pollen is like tiny yellow dust made by flowers. It contains the plant's main course needed to make seeds. The anther is the part of the flower that makes and holds the pollen. It's usually at the top of thin stalk called the filament. Together, they are called the stamen. And the stigma is the sticky part at the top of the flower's female part called the pistil. It catches pollen so the flower can make seeds. So pollination happens when pollen moves from the another to the stigma. Does it make sense so far? Would you like me to help you picture it with a symbol diagram? I am type here. No. Got it. Let's try something else. Imagine the flower is like a tiny factory. The anther is where the pollen dust is made and kept. The stigma is like a sticky landing pad waiting to catch that pollen. Pollination is when pollen travels from the anther's factory to the stigma's landing pad. What do you think might help the pollen move from the anther to the stigma? How do you think it travels? Yes, I think it will travel so easy. Travel so easily. Yeah. Go thinking, good thinking. Pollen can travel, but it doesn't just float around randomly. It usually needs a little help. Can you guess what might help move the pollen from one flower to another? Think about things in nature like animals, wind, or water. Which do you think are pollinators helpers that move pollen? It's inserts. Inserts. Okay, let's see. I think you mean insects like bees, butterflies, and beetles, right? They are some of the most important pollinators. Here is how they help. Insects visit flowers to collect nectar, a sweet juice. While they do that, pollen sticks to their bodies. When they go to another flower, some pollen rubs off into the stigma. This helps the flower make seeds. Does that make sense? What to try naming some inserts you think might help with pollination? Does that make sense? It will make sense or not. ChatGPT asking to me if they does make sense or not. Want to try naming some inserts you think might help with pollination? Yeah, its help pollination might helping with inserts to give pollination with between stigma and anther. Awesome. Can you name one or two inserts that you think help with pollination? One is bees. Bee is one insert, and butterfly, butterfly, and um, and a dragonfly. You know dragonfly. It's like I will show you next time. Okay, we can go. Great choices. Bees and butterflies are definitely important pollinators. Dragonflies, though, I don't usually help with pollination because they mostly eat the other insects and don't visit flowers for nectar much. So bees and butterflies carry pollen from flowers to flower, helping plants make seeds. Now, would you like to learn about how pollination helps plants make seeds, or maybe about other ways pollen can move besides insects? Yes, I learned learned about pollination. Okay, that's awesome. Just to make sure everything's clear, can you tell me in your own words what pollinations is and why it's important. Okay, we can tell about this one in another class or anytime. We can stop this one. I'm stopping this video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.
I can do it now because it loaded.
Okay, so it's about to be our break. It's 12:30 now. Yeah. Vaishnavi ma'am, are you here? Vaishnavi ma'am?
Hello, Fatima ma'am. I'm here.
Yes, ma'am.
We
Ma'am, shall
won't.
we wind up?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, there will be like 2 or 3 more students to do it, right? Only after
Okay.
that we'll wind up.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Who is the next student, Harlim?
So the next student is Mehrin.
Mehrin.
Ma'am, I haven't presented.
Alim, you have the list of students who haven't presented.
What, ma'am?
You have the list of students who haven't presented.
Yeah.
Can you share it with me?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mehrin, you got the presenter option, right?
yeah, I got this present option. Can I present?
Yes, you can present. Mehrin, can you enable your audio?
Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Yes, it's correct. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Yeah. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Camel. Yeah. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Which gas do humans need to breathe in to survive? Oxygen. Which is the fastest land animal? Fastest. Cheetah. Which is the longest river in the world? Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Yeah. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Feathers are ability to mimic human speech. Yeah.
Oh, great, can you?
Which is the tallest mountain in the world?
Next, I would like to call Muhammad Aslam.
Aslam. Alim, can you share the list with me?
Ma'am, I have sent.
Please give.
With
Okay,
whom
please give
have
share
you
option.
shared? Yes, you have. Okay, Aslam. With whom have you shared? Alim?
You, Fatima, ma'am.
But I haven't received. Can you share it with me as well, Alim, if you don't mind?
This is.
Wait, let me check if I have Vaishnavi ma'am's number.
I want to start. I don't start. I don't start. Please wait. Sorry on it. Please wait. I don't know how to do small. I try again. Ma'am, isn't it break time? Please
We'll
give.
go for a break with a few minutes, okay? Yeah.
Sorry. On
How
it.
can I help you, Aslam? Where did you do it? Is it in Canva or Clipchamp?
I don't click jump.
All right.
I save, but I can't get. Sorry.
I think you'll get it now, okay? And Clipchamp, you can.
On it. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. ഇവിടെ എന്നിട്ട് അച്ഛണ്ടാക്കി I can't see my video. I think I did it.
എനിക്കിപ്പോ ക്ലാസ് ഒന്നും ഇല്ല എന്ത് കുറക്കും ക്ലാസ്സിന്റെ ടൈം ആയിരുന്നില്ല
All right.
Sorry.
Then we'll give a chance in the assembly then. Find it in the projects, right? In the Clipchamp.
Okay, so I'm continuing the video now. How dare you!
Aslam, if you get it, you can inform. Shall we go with the next student then? Don't worry, Aslam. Okay, we'll call you. Alim, are you there? Hello?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm facing some little network issue, so can't hear what you're saying. So, yeah, ma'am.
Is it done? We need to call the next student, right? Is it Amin after Aslam?
Uh, no, it's
Uttran.
it. I didn't.
All right. Ivan, are you there?
Yeah,
Can you give a hand raise? I can't find Aiden in the meeting.
Aiden, will you be able to present? Aiden is actually sick. Aiden,
yeah,
is
yeah,
it okay for you?
yeah, ma'am. One sec.
Are you presenting?
Yeah, I'm presenting. I'll present.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Can you see the screen? Hello?
Yes, my dear, we could. We can see the screen.
I don't think that's me. Looks like Aslam.
Yeah, it's Aslam's screen. Sorry, are you not sharing the screen? I'm so sorry.
Wait. Yep, can you see now? Yeah, can you see?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. It's 12:41.
Yeah, it is. Hi. I'm wait. Yeah. Hi, I'm Aidin from Discovery Middle, and I'm gonna show you what is a study mode in ChatGPT. If you want to get study mode, you can just click this plus icon, and just you can see study mode here. And I did this without study mode. As you can see, the question is like a big number, like 100 decillion plus 596 billion, and it gave me like a long answer. So it says, let's break it down to step by step, so there's no confusion. Step 1, understand the numbers. 1 decillion in US dollars short scale equals 1033, and 100 decillion equals 100 times 1033 equal 1035. 596 billion equals 596 times 109, and adding them is a vastly large number. That 109 adding 596 times 109 is like adding a drop of water of to in a sea. It doesn't change if the first 35 digit months. So the answer is, so it pluses it, so 100 decillion plus 500 thing, and it again says written down, and it says it, and the 100 decillion part dominates completely. If you like to yeah, so the answer will be 1 and this is with study learn mode on. All right, let's go by step. So you can
Let's see exactly what happens. Step 1. Write down the S numbers. 100 decillion equals 100 decillion. That's followed by 1 and 35 zeros. And 596 billion equals 596 billion equals. And step 2. Line them up and add. Mark down 100 decillion plus 596 billion. And it shows the answer below, 100 decillion and 596 billion. And step 3, the final answer. So this is the answer. And the first part is 100 decillion is a huge number that the 596 billion barely changes it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Ma'am, is there a class after the break? We'll inform. We'll inform.
So next, I would like to invite Mohammad Amin.
Please give me presenter option.
You can present now, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Alim, how many students after Amin?
After Amin, there's Riha Fatima, then no one.
Okay.
I have not presented yet.
Ma'am, I didn't present.
Puttaran.
Okay, can you all raise your hands if you haven't presented?
I have raised my hand.
Halima, Putran, Honio, Amina.
I have said Putran's name.
No, that time I was like, my thing was not loading. That I said, you can call me after next person.
Oh, okay, okay.
Is it stuck? Amin, hello? Are you
Mama,
facing
can I
network issue?
stop share and share? No, 1 minute. I'll
All
share
right.
the sound. 1 minute. Mm. 1 minute. Yeah, please check you can hear. I'm going to talk about how to take the study and learn. First, click here, and you see more things. Then we can give here study and learn. Give here and type here. I want wanted to learn learn about uh, we can give animals and new animals. Kind of animals are you? We can type anything, anything, and perfect. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Please give type here. Please give
Ma'am, I get, ma'am.
quiz game about it. What? Quiz
No.
game about it and enter it and create. Question 1. Which of this is not an animal? Dog, tree, lion. Tree. Tree. Exactly. A tree is not an animal. It's planet. Plant. Question 2. Which animal can live both in water and on land? Elephant, frog, eagle. Frog. Type here. Frog. Yeah. Frog. Enter it. And question 3. Shark, dolphin. Question 3. Which of these animals is a male? Shark, dolphin, crocodile. Crocodile. Control C. Control V. And ender. No. Ender. And good try, but a crocodile is a reptile, not a mammal. Give more. Tap here. Give more. Tender it. Sure. Tap here. Then give. And you got it. The mammal here is it the dolphin? No. Got it. Give more kiss. Tap here. More kisses. More kiss about that one. Kiss. Kiss. Where is the set? Kiss about that.
Hello, is it buffering actually? Shall we just take a pause and move to the next student then?
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Yes.
time, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am
Next, I would like to call Riha Fatima.
Ma'am, can you give me the present then? Ma'am, when will they even call my name?
Ma'am, I can share my presentation.
Menu
Who is that, Aslam?
Yes.
Aslam, you presented, no?
No,
But it got stuck.
that my presentation was gone. This time only I'm fine.
Okay, okay. Raise your hands and keep, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Plants, process, with say plant, budding. I want to learn about budding. Budding is one of the ways produce, but not all plants do it. Let's start simple. A small growth called a bud. Bud appears on a parent. What is the what process after budding? Yeah, skimming. Growth stage is to become a mature plant. Separation or sting attachment. Root growth, leaf and stem development. Maturity. Yeah, if we connect into the plant and learn plant, the plant life cycle. Okay, let's break the plant life cycle. Yeah, this is the plant life cycle. 7 steps: seed germination, seedling, adult plant, flowering, seed dispersal, cycle repeats. Here is a little memory trick. Yeah, it's got how is seed dispersal, how is seed dispersal. Seed dispersal is how plants spread their seeds away from the parent plant soil. Yeah, the seed dispersal is by four main ways: water, wind, animals, or by explosion. What is explosion? Yeah, burst open suddenly to shoot out the seeds. It's like the plant's way of throwing its seeds far away to help them spread out.
Ma'am, can we take the break?
Okay,
We
we'll
have
give you the
only
break. Okay, don't worry, we'll
check this.
extend it for you.
There are layers of plant tissue dry out unwillingly as they lose water. Yeah. What is the another after yeah. This is the after stage after
Ashraf, can you
asexual
mute?
reproduction. That's the budding is type of asexual reproduction. That's after budding. The new plant usually grow through its their stage growth, maturity, production, seed formation, and dispersal. Okay. Can you explain in a short? Yeah. Growth become a mature produces flowers. What is the process between flower reproduction process? Okay. Flower formation, pollination, fertilization. How is pollination? Pollination is when pollen, which has the plant's cells, move from the male part of the flower pod. Can you explain it in a short way? Yeah, that's yeah.
Okay, Alim, you can call out the next person, okay? Putran, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, when is my turn going to come?
Honya, can you keep your hands raised? We'll call you according to the hands, okay? Yeah, the
Ma'am,
numbers.
someone lower down my hand.
Okay. We'll call you, okay? Don't worry. Yes, Putran, you can present it fast.
Okay, then. Can you see? Or should wait a second. Mm, mm. Okay, then this is my and
Putran, make sure you have enabled the audio, okay?
yeah, forgot. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Christian Puttaren and I'm from Discovery Medal. Yeah, and 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 I was doing this thing called YouTube Live, and in there I had to research, and this is what I researched with the study mode. Uh, with the study mode. If I go all the way up, it's I didn't spell gaming right. This E should not be there, but I like this is why the first was gaming, and it said, "Do you want to learn the thing?" And yeah, and it said I said talk and learn because there is play or learn, talk or learn, and it just goes on like that. And I typed it twice, talk and learn, and I heard how are my games made and everything. I said how are games made, and there's like this design. It's like first you have to code, you have to design it, you have to do everything else,
Yeah.
and say how to make it easy game in like 10 to 5 minutes. It gave me all the thing I have to do, and I said how to make it fun, and give me challenge that grows and that and that. A challenge that goes what? I asked. It said like challenge goes just means slow, making things harder. Slowly makes things harder, and that you understand. And in the after that I searched. Give me some YouTube bits for this, and I asked it, and it gave me some YouTube bits, and I said no for Roblox, and give me Roblox YouTube bit. And I think from the vid session, it's all non use of I didn't use the study feature. Mm, yeah, from here I think here onwards I didn't use the study feature. I was like and after that, after I did all of that, okay, yeah, how I say how to make. Can you how can I have YouTube? And it was like give me all the thing this. How can you make how I didn't put can because I don't know. And it showed me what all had to you have to make you want to make your own YouTube like app. It gave me all the tutorial. I take click that link, that link, that link. It's like you have to go to this website. This is like the main things I had to do. Give me the code in my after school push it in my okay, yeah. It taught for a few seconds and it nice. I think you meant code, yeah, I meant code for core or many YouTube app below, and this is all the code you will need. I'm not doing that. Okay, it's this. I don't know what all of this means. I still have not learned uh coding or anything near coding. Now this what okay, and it's a what this gives you a core future like left hand if you for if videos with thumbnails and titles and that and that and that and like would you like the next step I said now I said now to make it like I didn't so it said to go to this app which takes you to like some donating thing and some creating. I didn't understand this thing still. This thing is still in my mind. I still can't understand it. Click to start project and name it.
Yeah, that's
Click
all,
start
ma'am.
new project, name it.
That's all.
Okay. Vaishnavi ma'am. Okay,
No, that's
I'll
all.
you can call out the next person. You can call Halima, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Halima.
Okay.
Halima, I've given you the presenter option, you may present.
Hello. Fatima ma'am, are you here? Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, shall we wind up then? After that, children can directly join the webinar link, right?
Okay, and we can continue this.
Not continue the live. The live
Okay.
will happen like tomorrow. Those who haven't got a chance will be giving a chance tomorrow after the the students doing the live event for
Okay.
tomorrow's notebook LM.
Okay.
Hope that is fine. So, Arlim, you can pass on the list to us. And can Arlim note down the names of the students also haven't presented today? And today we have a webinar at 2 p.m. So after the break, kindly join the webinar link. Hope it's clear.
Ma'am,
Feel free to join
now
the
I want
class also.
the break. How long lunch break will take? How long lunch break will take? Yeah.
Honyo, you can join at 2, okay? 2 in the webinar link.
Ma'am, but
Okay.
I'm just saying, how long the lunch break will take? In Qatar time?
1 hour, Honyo.
1 hour. You can take 1 hour for the lunch
Okay.
break.
Okay.
Join the webinar link.
Teacher, Qatar time, when should we join?
What is the
Qatar time
time
is
there?
12 p.m.
What is the
12
time
p.m.
there? Adeen, what is the time there?
Qatar time, when should we join?
Yeah, what is the time there now? Can you tell me?
10:37.
10,
10:37.
okay, so you can join at 11:30, okay?
12:30.
Qatar time.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So everyone, you can take a break now, and everyone, you have to join back at 2 in the same link, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.